On a side note, right, this here is called a roux. R-O-U-X. Right, you just mix it around a little bit. I can't believe it's not butter because it's low fat. And this little thing right here, what it'll do is it'll thicken your chili if it's not thick enough. It's just a little side note. All you do is put a little bit of butter, half a teaspoon of butter, and a teaspoon of flour, and just stir it up until it becomes hard and condensed like this. Then you just add it to your chili if it's not thick enough. All right, that's just a little trick. It's just a little side note to make your chili thicker. Okay, make sure you clean as you go. And I should have this ready here in a second because it's boiling up right now. All the ingredients have been added, and I'll be adding this little piece here in a second.